Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our C# and WinForms 2026 series. So far, we've created our first Windows Forms app, and learned how to respond to button clicks. Now it's time to get under the hood of C# and learn about variables, data types, and why. Net 10 makes coding smoother than ever. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to store and use data in your programs, the building blocks for every app you'll make. Let's start with the basics, variables. A variable is like a little box in memory where you can store information your program needs, a name, a number, or even true/false values. In C#, you declare a variable like this. Int age equals 25. String name equals Andre. Bool is student equals true. Int stores whole numbers. String stores text. Bool stores either true or false. You can change the value of a variable anytime. Age equals 26. Name equals Ella. Is student equals false. Variables are fundamental, every program you build will use them in some form. C# comes with many built-in data types. Here's a quick overview. Numbers, int for whole numbers, double for decimals, decimal for precise financial calculations. Text, string for words and sentences, char for single characters. True/false, bool, used for decisions. Date and time, DateTime, perfect for calendars and timers. And in Net 10, you can even use var for type inference. Var message equals hello. Net 10. Here, C# automatically knows message is a string. Super convenient and keeps your code clean. Sometimes, you want a value that never changes. That's where constants come in. Const double pi equals 3.14159. Or a read-only variable for values assigned once at runtime. Read-only int max, score. Max score equals 100. These are very useful when you need fixed settings or limits in your app. In Net 10, handling variables and types is faster and safer than ever. Better performance at runtime. Cleaner memory management with garbage collection. Support for nullable reference types, so you can avoid those tricky null errors. This makes writing C# apps smoother and less error-prone, especially when building larger projects. Let's see variables in action in a WinForms app. Open the form from our previous video and add a new button called Button, Show, Info. Double-click it and type this code. String username equals text name. Text. Int lucky number equals 7. Bool is awesome equals true. Message, box. Show $hello, username. Your lucky number is, lucky number. Awesome? Is, awesome. When you run the app and type a name, the message box will show all your variable values combined. Notice how we use string interpolation with $. It's cleaner than using plus to join strings and variables. Awesome! You now know how to use variables, constants, and different data types in C#. These skills are essential for any app, whether you're building calculators, games, or business tools. In the next video, we'll dive into working with buttons, labels, and text boxes in WinForms, learning how to interact with the user and update the UI dynamically. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 4.